Nathaniel? Where did he go? Peekaboo! Where did he go? He must have run away. Peekaboo! Oh.
Boy, are you tired? You can sleep like right there.
Oh. Peekaboo! Are you going for your milk? Milk? Yeah, there it is. Oh, we're going to turn it sideways. Uh-oh. You looking for the cat? There you go. Where'd that cat go? Oh.